My name's Kevin and welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to have a look at a new machine I've purchased, and I've been looking for one for a long time, and I've seen a few, but some of them have been really worn out, had a hard life, and others are just too expensive. But this one came along from a tool maker, and he'd had it some 25 years. And it's been looked after, so over the past couple of days I've given it a good clean and just checked everything to make sure it was okay, and there's very little wear on it, so I'm really happy with that. And also we've got some stickers from a couple of people, so I'll just show you those. One was from Rusty Knox. I'm going to be watching, I have been watching his channel, but I'm going to be watching it again because he's got some very good videos on the machine what I've bought. And the other one is Ragsdale Creek Workshop. Anthony Brown, his name. He's got a good channel as well, just a small channel, just starting out, but some of his videos are interesting, so give those two a look. I'll show you a close-up of the stickers and that. So here's the Ragsdale one, and just Rusty Knox one. I've also started on the David Kurzel engine, which I'm building, the model engine. It's a hit and miss engine, and I've explained about that in a previous video I've done, but I've actually started just shaping some stock. So this is the first thing I've started on, which is the base which the engine is going to sit on. So I've machined that down to size, and I've now just got to put the scallop in and the two radiuses on each side, and then this is going to be the block where the piston runs in, and also the water jacket for the water cooling. So the engine is about that big, two flywheels, and like I say, it's a hit and miss engine, so it's got an inlet valve and an outlet valve, so it's going to be an interesting build. So anyway, we'll have a look at the machine, and I'll show you what I've actually bought. And here it is. It's a Viceroy Royale 250 shaper, and it's the 250 version, which is 10.5 inches, which is roughly 10.5 inches, 250 mil. It's an old English machine, and period probably, I'm not too sure, but around about 50s or 60s, maybe 70s. I'm not really that sure. Perhaps some of the viewers can just put me right on that one. I have had a read up about the machine, and not about the dates and that, but just about how the machine works, maintenance, and sort of those various things. So this shaper has the ability to obviously move the ram in and out, but the table moves this way, but the table will always also move this way, which is really good, because a lot of the small shapers, the table only move this way. So it's all done by a mechanism on the side here, which drives a cam, drives a pickup, which goes into the teeth on this gear here, and then obviously it moves the table over, and it's all fully adjustable. You can move the table, like small amounts. It depends what you're cutting and whatever. And the motor always runs on it, and we've got a clutch system here which engages the clutch, and then obviously the ram will start to move. I haven't connected it up yet because it runs on 3-phase. I've just got to connect the VFD up, and that will give me, single phase to 3-phase conversion. So I'm just waiting to hear about how I wire that in from a guy. So anyway, so like I said, it hasn't got much wear on it. I'll give you a closer shot. It's in very good condition, and I'll show you the ways. So I'll show you the flaking. As you can see here, you can see it really clearly, and on here I'll try and get a shot. Yeah, you can see it there, look. So like I say, if there's flaking there, that means that it hasn't had a huge amount of use, or it's been well looked after. Same with on the ram, you can see the flaking across there. So again, the ram has been, it's been well oiled and looked after. So on this side we've got all the clutch mechanism in this housing here, with the adjustment plate here to show you how to adjust it, and on this side the actual clutch to engage the ram and the drive mechanism. And then we've got the drive coming off the main motor spindle here, to drive the mechanism for moving the table. So like I say, the machine's in very good condition. So the clapper box is all still nice and tight. No, all the dogs have decided to bark. But yeah, so looking forward to getting that up and running and doing some test cuts. And here's just some of the tooling I got with it. So I just got a steel there, high-speed steel. And we've got some keyway cutters as well. So in their various sizes. So 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch, 3/8. And this one's a bit of that's a metric one. I think it was 4.5, but I can't remember now. So yeah, so obviously been homemade, but still, you know, they'll work fine. So I haven't got to worry about making those. I'm going to have to get some more steels, some high-speed steel, but like I say, that's cheap enough now. So that'll do me for now anyway, for what I want to do for my test cuts. So yeah, so really good buy and really happy. So that's it on this video, just a quick video just to show the machine and that. So obviously over Christmas I'm going to have something to play with, so it's going to be really good. On about Christmas and that, so I'd like to thank everybody for subscribing to the channel and hitting the like button especially, and wish everybody a happy Christmas and a prosperous new year, and we'll have some more videos in the new year. So signing off, and I'll see you later.